Hi, this video is to talk about what to do for the hybrid section. So we're going to be talking about skills for proficient reading. First thing I want you to do though is go to bell work in your notebook and open up this bell work. I'm just going to do a preview. And in this, follow the directions, and in your notebook, maybe make some short little columns on a way that you could sort these pictures yourself. When you finish with that, I'm going to ask you to do one more sort, and that is by syllables. So put both ways in your notebook. Now that you're finished with bell work, I'd like you to go to open up the phonogram app. It would look like this in your laptop or some device, and review the ones that we learned this week. Okay, pause. And then to get to the content for the hybrid would be what skills lead to proficient reading. So there's an article there for you to read. When you open it up, read the article. When you read the article, this is one of the most important concepts in our class. Again, we've talked about the simple view of reading, that is word recognition times language comprehension equals skilled reading. Well, now we're going to take those and break them down. And I want you to read about how those are broken down, and that how we as teachers can make changes in a child's brain for the development of reading. And then some things that are not good, as far as research says, are not good systems of using in the classroom. And they are being used in the classrooms very often, but research does not support them. And to read about these 3 cueing systems and different things, and kind of look at this comparison. Take notes. And then I gave this as a handout, and I want you to cut this out, glue it onto page 23, and add all the different components that go under language comprehension and what components go on word recognition, and you can write them above the box. And put this again on page 23. Lastly, I'd like you to watch a video on Scarborough's rope, and here's the link. Also take some notes, things that you find that you're going to need for your classroom in the future. These concepts are real important for the rest of the class. I don't have it yet, but by the time you look at this, I should have a PowerPoint that also has all of the directions on it, and I will put the link with this. Okay, you will be turning this in, but not until homework on Sunday. Thank you. Bye.